Hey, yo, what's good? It's your boy Dice. Yo, we here today in the Philippines, baby. Yo, check this out. Yesterday, I went out and I seen someone who's actually selling some ducks. So I got these 3 ducks back here. You know, it's a male and 2 females. So I bought these ducks from my homeboy Jerome. A lot of you must have seen him in some of my videos. So whenever I'm in the Philippines, you know, he helps me, find some cool content to show you guys, you know. So every time I'm here, man, he always be helping me out a lot, you know. So today, I want to do something special for him, you know. I bought these ducks for him so he can start his own, like his duck farm, you know. Maybe sell some duck eggs, little ducks, you know, when they have little babies, ducklings, you know, they'll grow up and he can sell them, whatever he can do, you know, to earn money for his family. But check these out, man. I want you to meet my ducks. Check that out. There's like 1 male and like 2 females over there, you know. I haven't really thought of a name yet for them, you know. But today, we're here and we're about to build us an enclosure, a little duck house, you know, so them ducks can chill, swim, eat, you know, and be protected. So today, I'm gonna show you step by step how we're gonna build this duck house, all right? Yo, let's get into the video. Let's get it. So you got my man Jerome here, you know, chilling. We're gonna use this mesh to put around the duck enclosure, you know? And this is our space. This is exactly where we're gonna build the duck house, you know? So my man over here, he's leveling out the ground. You know, we're gonna make it nice and leveled, and we're gonna build a nice enclosure for the ducks. Yo, so check this out, man. We got our post up. We're using like metal and bamboo. There's a whole pile over there of, material that they don't use. So we're gonna try to recycle some of this material, some wood, some metal, whatever we can use, man, to build our duck enclosure. So now we ran into a little issue, you know? As we were building our roof, check this out. This is the bamboo bar roof. So as we were building our roof, we realized this side over here, we can't get the roof to be leveled. So this tree right here is in the way. So we're gonna try to chop down this tree so we can get our other side nice and level to this side, all right? So my man Jerome over here, he's trying to chop down this tree. Jerome, let me see your knife, man. Ah, look at that. Look what he's using. Yo, the tree is mad hard to cut, man. Boom. It's going, baby. All right, man, so we're taking a quick lunch break. So there's like a little eatery that I always come to, man, to get some food, you know? The lady, she cooks like really good, man. So me and Jerome about to have our lunch. Yo, check this out, man, check this out. So here we got some pancit, we got some boiled eggs, we got some menudo, we got some 𝐾𝐨𝐬𝐿, and we got some afritada, some rice, some lemon, and of course, yo, the meal's not complete without our Coke Zero. All right, so yo, let's get into this meal, man. Check this out. There's some pancit. Yo, I love pancit, man. I threw in a little bit of lime on top to give it a little more flavor, you know? But yo, pancit, man, I have it a lot, man. Everywhere you go, it's different, you know? I've never had a bad pancit before, you know? Oh my God. Now we're gonna try some of this 𝐾𝐨𝐬𝐿. Yeah, 𝐾𝐨𝐬𝐿. It's so good, man. Look at it. Yeah, man. We're gonna put some of this in some rice. I want to have it with a little rice, you know? Check it out. We'll try some of this 𝐾𝐨𝐬𝐿. 𝐾𝐨𝐬𝐿, man. 𝐾𝐨𝐬𝐿. Yo, I'm telling you, this lady, she cooks really good, man. I come here almost every day. Mad good, yo. Mad good. Now I'm gonna try the afritada. Here's that. That's the afritada. Got some meat, some potatoes. All mixed together. Take some potato, some meat, some rice. It's good. Afritada. Mad good, yo. Next, we're gonna try our menudo. Looks like I got some potatoes in here too. I think this might be the best one. Menudo. Definitely hit the spot. Trying to break open my egg, man. You know? I usually, when I eat a boiled egg, I don't really eat the inside, you know? You gotta try to keep healthy, man, you know? You gotta try to keep healthy. Cheers out. This is the lady who cooks up all this food. She is a wonderful chef, right? Who cook everything, right? Yeah, so she's always cooking up this delicious food, man, you know? It feels like home, you know? It's not like eating in a restaurant or eating some fast food, you know? It's like straight up home cooked food, man, you know? But yeah. Out of the menudo, the afritada, and the 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭, my favorite is the menudo. Menudo at 1, 𝐾𝐾𝐨𝐿 at 2, and the afritada at 3, you know? But yeah, man, yo, let me finish up this meal, man. We gotta get back to work, all right? Let's get it. So every time, man, she cooks, amazing cook, you know? I don't miss home one bit. It feels like I'm at home. I'm eating home food, you know? But miss, how much for everything we eat? How much for that one? How much? $4.50. So everything I showed you earlier, everything is like $4.50, man. That's like under $10. You know what I'm saying? There's like maybe $8, $7, $8, you know, which is not bad. I had like 3 different kind of meats. I had some egg, I had some noodles, I had rice, I had the Coke Zero. Yo, all under $10, man. You can't go wrong. Yo, so check this out, man. Behind me, we got our frame ready. You know what I mean? Yo, caught some rain right now, so it's gonna slow the process a little bit, you know? But yo, check this out, man. Check out the frame. We got all the frame and everything is done. Yo, so what we doing here is we leveling out all this gravel. See the gravel? So we don't want the enclosure to have all like mud and stuff like that. So when it rains, those ducks are gonna get dirty. So here we are, we just throwing some gravel, leveling everything out, so the ducks have a nice place to chill at. You know what I'm saying? Yo, so check this out, man. We got our roof up, we got the walls in. Now we're about to throw some of this mesh. We're about to put it all around to make sure nothing can get in or get out. There's a diced duck, baby, diced duck. All right, man, so our duck house is finally complete. Check this out. Yo, we got a little swimming pool here for the ducks to swim, chill. We got a little nest for the duck to come lay some eggs. So we got all the net. Everything is closed, so they can't get out. Yo, so now it's time to get these ducks out of the cage and put them in their new home. All right, let's go. Whoa, go. All right, you're going to your new home. All right, you got one of them in there. All right, you got the second one in there. Oh, that made it strong. There you go. Yeah, man. So the ducks are finally at their new home. All right, man. I'm gonna end the video right here. It's been a long day. Yo, building this duck house was no joke, man. All the materials we used here, we recycled everything, man. All the metal, the tire, the wood, the bamboo, everything, man. Everything was recycled, you know? But yo, I think we did a pretty good job, you know? It's not really a fancy duck house, but for whatever it's worth, I think it's pretty good, man. But yo, anyway, I hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Yo, show your boy some love, all right? Until the next video, we out.